gonna go pick up Cosette. Yes, we are. This is Cobalt's little traveling backpack. He's a spoiled bird and travels wherever we do. And there's a little fan in here. Nice and cool. Air circulation. You ready? Help me get my bike down, babe.
Absolutely.
All right. This fan is on. And safety first. Gotta wear a helmet.
Looking snazzy.
Bring Cobalt with me to go pick up Cosette from her tutoring class. All right, how's he look back there? You happy?
Looking great.
Okay.
Love you, babe.